Hi everybody. Now I'm going to talk about here how to use conditional formatting. Conditional formatting you can find in here. Conditional formatting. There are different types of conditional formatting you can see over here. One, the document I would like to highlight it. What you want to do here first, select all the figures and then go to conditional formatting, and then here top button, you use top button line, then top button, then select top, here top 10. Now I am going to take top 3, type here 3, and then you can apply whichever whichever you desire colors, whichever you want color. Here I'm going to apply uh, red, red with dark text. Okay, and red text we can, I will use this first one. Okay, go ahead. And here I'm going to I selected top 10 items, top 3 items. Let's down, then we move to second one. Select all line items, go to condition formatting, top button bottom row, and then bottom 10 items. Here we can change how, what, three. Here we are going to take three, bottom 3 items. Type 3, and then I will give a color, light red. Okay, I will give another color, yellow. See all the bottom 3 items highlighted here. Now let's move to next example. I'm going to select here based on, yes, next one. If you have big database, data line items column, in the column you can select best item. Here I selected item, then conditional formatting. Again I'm selecting top 10 item. Here I type 1, and then this is the highest figure in this column. This is highlighted already. Okay, let's move to another one. Top bottom row, bottom. I'm selecting bottom, and then number one item I'm going to select. Then a red border. Yeah, here you can see this. And also now next one, I'm going to talk about graph, performance graph. From here we can't see any graph line items. Only line figures we can see. I will turn this figure into graph. What you do want to do is I will copy this and I will paste. Okay. Then select all the items, go to conditional formatting, data bar, data bar. Then select whichever you want. See here I'm going to select green color bar. Okay, I've selected, and then again, now here you can see the with the numbers. I don't want to see the number here. Then what I want to do here, go to here, go to data bar. In here you can see more rules. From there, you can see, you can have a chance. You can have opportunity to change anything. The bar is there, and I want to see show bar only color. Select and then color. I can select any color of this. I will select green color as it is. Yeah, I selected and then okay. See now. Now I can't see the figure here, but it is inside the figure. But I can see only bar bars. This is more, I think, most useful things when you display in person, sales, performance chart in the chart in Excel sheet. This will be more helpful. Thank you very much.